Promising signs tonight from two drugs used to combat COVID-19. One not only helps treat the virus, but may actually protect people from ever getting the virus. This is from Regeneron. It announced its antibody cocktail reduced infections by roughly 50%. The drug not yet authorized for preventative purposes, but only to treat those who already have the virus. And this morning, Lilly announced its own antibody treatment can reduce COVID hospitalizations and deaths by, get this, up to 70%. CNBC's Meg Terrell now. Meg, these sound like they could make a huge difference.
Well, potentially, Shep. These are the first results we've seen on Regeneron's antibody cocktail in the prevention setting. Remember, this was the drug used to treat President Trump when he was diagnosed with COVID. It's on the market as an IV infusion, but in this prevention trial, Regeneron formulated the drug to be given as a shot. Now, the way they tested it was in people who lived with someone diagnosed with COVID to see if they could keep others from getting sick. And they found that they could. The results are preliminary, but showed the drug prevented 100% of symptomatic infections and cut down the risk of transmission by half. Now, one way this drug could potentially be used, I'm told, is in a strategy known as ring vaccination, which has been used effectively against both Ebola and smallpox. The idea is to find contacts of someone with infection and provide them with protection so they don't catch the disease and continue to spread it. Now, Eli Lilly also showed its antibody drug can prevent disease in a trial in nursing homes last week. And today it said a combination of two antibodies showed promising results as a treatment. But the drugs, despite their promise, haven't been widely adopted because they're difficult to administer in IV form. And some experts worry they may not work as well against new variants, Shep.
Meg, you spoke with Johnson & Johnson executive today about their vaccine. What did you learn?
Well, I did. So J&J is expecting results on its COVID vaccine by early next week. This is the one-shot vaccine, if it works. And we learned today that these results could tell us a lot, not just about this vaccine, but Pfizer and Moderna's potentially as well. And that's because J&J ran this trial across 3 continents, including in South Africa and Brazil, where those concerning new variants have been identified. So we may get important information about how vaccines designed around the original coronavirus strain work against these emerging ones, Shep.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.